So today's news brings us that USI-tech is leaving the US and Canada. So if you were building teams in USI-tech, maybe you were investing Bitcoin in USI-tech, you've got a situation. You can't build a team anymore. You can't sign anybody up. You'll likely get out your Bitcoin. You will probably, more than likely, not have your Bitcoin be stolen by this company who has been trusted by over 700,000 people with their Bitcoin. If you've got contracts, packages, you're probably going to get paid out. But if you look into your back office now, you will see that there's nothing going on with the members that you've got. We do not yet know what's going on with commissions from your team, if that's still going to remain for the remainder of your USA team contracts. If you're not in the USA or Canada, sweet for you. You can keep using this system. It's been awesome. And for everybody that is in the US, where to next? Where can you go that you can double your Bitcoin every 80 to 90 days? And that would be definitely HashFlare. HashFlare is trusted by over 2 million people. You can purchase their Bitcoin hash rate. You can also get Ether and I believe a couple other coins like Zcash you can mine through HashFlare, which is a cloud mining company out of Estonia. You can also use credit cards or wire transfer. You can, of course, pay with Bitcoin, or once you're making money, you can compound your interest. But this is pretty cool that you can use credit cards and debit cards to get hash power, and essentially that's going to buy you hash power that's going to be kind of equivalent to an amount of Bitcoin in that time. And what you're going to find is that you're going to double the amount of Bitcoin you have in your account working for you every 90 days, or essentially you're going to double the hash power if you're just working on one hash power. For instance, I put just a little over $2,000 in this, and as you see, it's pulling in just about $864 a month. And this is going to fluctuate with the price of Bitcoin fluctuating, but our numbers work out so that you're going to double the amount of power you've got working for you, mining Bitcoin every 3 months or so. These are year-long contracts, so reinvesting, essentially you'll be paid out everything that you've put in. If you just stop reinvesting, you'll be paid out everything over the course of a year. But yeah, look into this company. They're legit. I know it's a tough day for many of us that have teams in USI-tech. We're wondering what to do. You do make 10% on just initial purchases and continuing purchases from outside. Like the only thing you don't get paid on in HashFlare is the reinvestment. If people reinvest their earnings, you don't get paid commissions on that. But everything else, you're going to get 10% on your direct referrals. So happy building, keep your head up, and yeah, look into HashFlare.